I stay my whole trip, my phone broke. I take a picture of my sister's phone, but I didn't use it.
We're working on it for about 30 seconds.
Hmm?
2 minutes.
Yeah. They're really fast. So before I had one idea to make an app because they have this. So basically it's one app. The people can put the model of their phone and tell what's happened with the phone. Like my Samsung model but a broke screen, and then they can make a point with these guys. They go to the office, go to your house. They change really fast, and you can book and you can see the GPS. Where's the guy coming?
In Brazil or
really cool.
China?
In Brazil, but it didn't work because people get stolen there. Yeah, the guy come out in the beginning of the day with 100 screens of iPhone and suddenly disappears. Yeah. You know, shit country cannot do business. And even if I put GPS in the vest of the guy to see the app, if they say, oh, I got stolen, my 100 screen I lost. Cannot trust. In China I have this service. I always use an app to call the guy to my office. But it's more expensive, like let's say 350.
Yeah.
Here's 200.
Right.
Worth it. In your office, you know.
Convenient.
The guy come, you just give him, he's safe. They record, always recording when they're changing. But every time when I do this kind of service, I like to stay and look. They got don't change the battery, don't change, you know what I mean? Yeah, I trust, but you know?
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case. I trust just in case. Like I make fun of my girl. I trust you. I call you video call at night just in case you're lost, you know, you need me, just in case. What made me crazy is their nails, right? They keep really long. Right? Before I think they play guitar, but it's not. Because they like to nose and work on things. You know, in relationship, Chinese girl, Chinese man, the Chinese girl punch the man, and the man going down his rally, and yeah. You didn't saw nothing?
Okay.
Bobby. To clean his eye. Hey, my son. He's the only one to stay inside home. Beto and Selena, the boy and the pug, cannot stay home. If they stay home, my gosh, bro, they eat my house. You like me, right? So you learn how to use WeChat, Alipay? So easy, right?
No,
Just
not
use
Ali,
it.
just WeChat.
Just WeChat? Oh, sorry. Let's make a surgery. Bobby, relax. It's really easy. Put your scan.
Yeah.
Really easy, bro, to see your money go. Just scan, boom, scan. When you realize. And the girl work with the guy give 10,000 for each one, right?
We pay. Yeah. We pay for it. But
But it's nice.
we've been working together for about 6 years.
Yeah.
And we really,
Do a lot of business.
yeah, we've been her like biggest customer, and she started her own business because of us, and so
yeah,
she, you know,
she's doing
used to
great.
be very poor, and now, you know, she's
Yes,
quite
grow
wealthy.
together.
So I want to get her out to New Zealand. She's very, you know, I want to fly her out to New Zealand because she's very thankful for us.
Yeah, your father invited the two Chinese guys for New Zealand, show the shooting.
Yeah.
It's like, before we start the business, you must come to my house.
That's Andy.
Yes. And he tell about them when I eat the cake, you know, I hide in the bag, and I'm like, Thiago, tell the story of the cake. Really, Andy? Yeah, don't. I say, okay, I eat the cake, I get fucked up.
It's a short story.
Yeah.
We don't need to talk about it.
Yes. So fun. Okay, he is right. So sometimes when I go bar, go somewhere with my friend, I put him in the bro, stay there, give food. When he want pee, when he want pee, he sit down and he start to look at me. And he sit and look, means he wants. And then I put him down, he pee. Then after, when he give you back, we check. You check. You make a phone call, you know. Check.
Huh?
Checking the time. Yes.
Time.
How much already?
7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Very fast.
But I think if he know we're counting the time, he make faster, I think. Yours is each iPhone. Your iPhone is the
6S.
Ah, the same. My
Plus.
6 is close.
So good, man.
So mine is the didn't have your better color, but the gold one. Bro, these already changed here because one day I was in a roller coaster. I'm so stupid. I don't have the phone. I don't have pocket. So what I do? My idea, I put here. Bro, in the end of the roller coaster, my phone was like this, banned, fucked. Because do this, you know, I was and fuck bent. So, bro, I changed this already. This screen, I lost how many times I changed? Like 3-4 times at least. Yes, what you see? Totally
Brand new.
Yeah, this also. Look, already changed, but already. How I fix this one. This is. Tomorrow I'll do tattoo in the morning.
Is this comfortable?
Yes. Yeah. He liked this position. This fall as well, see? This for New Zealand.
Oh.
Yeah, this fuck.
Okay.
Sometimes he turn off. This is company one. But sometimes they goof off. But because, you know, bro, to be honest, I don't buy these new iPhones. Every time they put a new one, you know, Face ID. It's not like I remember 3GS, you know, when the phones make you excited to purchase. Now I don't have feeling for them.
Yeah.
Nothing mind blowing.
6S is
Yes,
best.
because we have the
touch
ID, right? So this what was the big change, right?
Yeah.
Touch ID.
I don't have touch ID on the 10.
Yes. Yeah.
I want it back.
Yeah. I have the jack because I have I
Yeah,
really
yeah,
like
yeah,
the
yeah,
Marshall.
yeah, yeah.
I still have the jack. because I also have the AirPods. It's good, but sometimes lost connection. Sometimes connect the right or connect the left. You use AirPods?
I just use the Bluetooth wireless.
Yeah, I like the cable because no problem with battery.
Yeah.
It's cool wireless, but and the battery is you have a headphone is useless. It's okay? Okay?
It's tight.
Yeah. Ah.
Maybe we'll get you a new case.
Huh?
So maybe we'll get Kai a new case.
How much the time?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
10 minutes. Ah, okay. You check. Check.
Can you check where it says like the
Check.
function?
Phone call and blah blah blah. Ah.
What is it?
04283.
So cool.
004283.
Do you have anything saved on Spotify?
Yes.